Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making the Instantpot Ace Cauliflower Mash recipe. Okay, and here are the ingredients. We're going to use half a head of mashed potato. No, we're going to be using half a head of cauliflower broken up into pieces, salt, pepper, 1/4 cup of vegetable stock, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, first things first, we're going to put in the half a head of cauliflower into the aceblender. So I'm dropping stuff all over the place. Okie dokie. We're going to add the 1/4 cup of vegetable broth. We're going to add the minced garlic, 1 teaspoon. And we're gonna put some salt and pepper. So we're gonna put this and we're gonna set it to puree 2. Puree 1, puree 2. And watch it go! And watch it go! Now! Alright guys, when it gets to a minute, we're gonna hit pause and we're gonna add the butter, okay? We got about 1:30 left. I need you to do a little dance. Okay, we're just waiting. Two, 1. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna open it up real quick. Careful, it's hot. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. All right. Go ahead and put this back. It smells good, guys. Okay. Hit the pause button again. Keep going. And we'll be ready. Alright guys, it is done. Go ahead, remove the lid. Careful. Let's check it out. Dude, it looks just like mashed potatoes. Look at that. Good consistency. Let's try it out. Remember to blow, guys. That's pretty good. It has the consistency of mashed potato. It's a good alternative, I feel like. I even think if the kids didn't even know it was cauliflower, I think they'd probably think it's mashed potato. So it's a good alternative. So I really like it. So give this video a thumbs up. Follow me for more videos on the Instantpot Ace blender and the Instantpot. And remember, only the strong subscribe.